Hello everyone, I am Shubin Balakrishnan. I welcome you all to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Looking into the observed weather during past 24 hours, dense to very dense fog has been observed over major parts of North India. Visibility as low as 0 meter has been observed over parts of Punjab, East Uttar Pradesh and parts of West Uttar Pradesh, with visibility ranging between 0 to 50 meter observed over various parts of Haryana, Uttarakhand, West Rajasthan and Bihar. Dense fog has been observed also over parts of Meghalaya. Looking into the temperature values, cold wave to severe cold wave conditions prevailed over parts of Himachal, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and parts of Rajasthan. You can see the temperature with respect to minimum temperatures of today. Amritsar reporting temperature of around 1.1 degrees Celsius, Bathinda temperature of 0.6 degrees Celsius. Major parts of Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi and Punjab reporting temperatures in the range of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Cold day conditions have also been observed over parts of Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, West Rajasthan and over parts of East Rajasthan. Ground frost conditions has been observed over parts of Uttarakhand. Looking into southern parts of the country, last 24 hours, heavy rainfall has been observed over parts of South Tamil Nadu. Highlights of today's briefing being the cold wave to severe cold wave conditions are forecasted to continue over Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand during next 2 to 3 days and a bit thereafter. Dense fog conditions are forecasted to continue during morning hours over parts of northwest India and Bihar during next 5 days. Cold day to severe cold day conditions are forecasted to prevail in isolated pockets over Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh and West Rajasthan during next 2 days. The synoptic conditions of today being an upper air cyclone circulation prevailing over Comoran area and neighborhood in the lower tropospheric level. Subtropical westerly jet stream with core winds in the range of 100 knots prevailing over northeast India at 12.6 km above mean sea level. The western disturbance is seen as a trough roughly along 65 degree east to the north of 30 degree in the middle tropospheric level. An upper air cyclone circulation lies over North Haryana and neighborhood in the level. Looking into the temperature forecast, no significant change in minimum temperature likely over northwest India in the next 3 days and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius are forecasted for subsequent 4 days. Maharashtra is forecasted a gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during the next 24 hours and no significant changes forecasted for the next 5 days. Gujarat state is forecasted with gradual rise in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during the next 24 hours with gradual fall of 2 to 3 degrees Celsius during the next 48 hours and no significant change thereafter. The remaining parts of the country are forecasted with no significant change in minimum temperatures during the forecast period. Looking into the warning map for next 24 hours, cold day to severe cold day conditions and cold wave conditions are forecasted over major parts of North India with ground frost conditions forecasted over Uttarakhand and East Rajasthan. Southern parts of the country with Tamil Nadu forecasted with thunderstorm and heavy rainfall activity. Looking into the district-wise warning maps for next 24 hours, West Rajasthan is forecasted with cold wave to severe cold wave conditions over parts of eastern parts of West Rajasthan with Haryana, southern parts of Haryana forecasted with severe cold wave conditions along with Punjab mostly predominant with severe cold wave conditions on the western parts of Punjab. Looking into the day 2 warning, cold day and cold wave conditions are forecasted to prevail over parts of Punjab, Haryana and parts of Rajasthan with cold wave conditions forecasted over parts of Odisha and over parts of Jharkhand with fog activity forecasted to prevail over major parts of the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Looking into day 3 and day 4 warning, fog conditions are forecasted to prevail over major parts of Western Himalayan region or parts of North India and parts of East India with cold wave conditions forecasted to prevail over parts of Rajasthan and over parts of Jharkhand and parts of Odisha. Looking into the day 5, day 6 and day 7 warning, fog conditions are forecasted to prevail over parts of Punjab, Haryana and other remaining parts of Indo-Gangetic Plain. For round-the-clock weather updates, kindly request you to follow IMD social media handles. Thank you.